my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday all about Disney. Today I'm doing a fall box swap. So quite a few months ago, I got together with quite a few Disney YouTubers. I will go ahead and leave all of the channels in the description box below, and we decided to do a fall box swap. So I put a box together and I sent it to Pin Palz, and I will go ahead and leave his channel in the description box below. I'll put him first. And I received a box as well. So the box came a few days ago and it's been sitting here and I've been dying to open it. It is rather large, so I'm gonna open it now and show you what I got. I have no idea who it came from. I have no idea what's in the box. Our only stipulation was it had to be kind of like fall and Disney related. So I don't know what's in there. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the front of the box because it has my address information on it, but like this is the box. Like it is, I can't even fit it in the frame. It is huge. It is kind of heavy. So I already kind of like opened it or cut the tape, I'll say. So let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't even believe this. Okay, so wow, I don't know what this is. It's like all wrapped up. Here is a candy corn Rice Krispie treat. And if you watch my videos, you know that I love Rice Krispie treats. But I only like Rice Krispie treats from Disney. So someone, whoever you are, which I don't see a card or anything, so I have to look and see who this is from. But they watched my video, so thank you. Okay, what else is in here? Oh my goodness, like, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's just like stop for a second. This is the inside of the box. So there's just a bunch of stuff. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Wow, okay, so I wish I knew who this was from. Okay, so this is the next thing. Look how cute this is with all this like fall stuff on here. And let me see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am a huge Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs fan. And I think it's a girl that has me because I just see some writing on here. So, oh my goodness. Love this. And I love coffee, and this is from Joffrey's, which if you've been to Disney World, Joffrey's is like the coffee at Disney World. So, and I love coffee, like I'm so addicted. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, love that. Okay, this is some tea. I have salted caramel, which I love, English tea time, and Tazo, so some little fall tea. Okay, next is this. Oh, this is an autograph book. This is from the parks. Wow, I don't have an autograph book. And it says it has 15 photo sleeves. So the next trip I take, I'm gonna have to start getting autographs. And then there's some Jennarally chocolates here. So whoever sent me this box must live near the parks because this is, I believe, a parks exclusive. Okay, next is, what is this? Oh my goodness. Next is this. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. Look at that. It is Mickey ears. It's like, it is like a Mickey. Oh, this is gonna look so good in my office. Love this. Okay, what is this? This is really cute. I don't know what this is. She wrote on there, it says, fingers crossed for a Snow White or a Rapunzel. So we had to fill out like a, I guess I'll call it like a preferences, where we said who our favorite princesses were, what we were into, what we weren't into. So let me see what this is. Grab the scissors. This is, it says Disney Princess. Oh, they're little figurines. Okay. So there it is, and it's a little figurine in here. It's like a little blind box. Oh my goodness. So let's see who it is. I think it's Little Mermaid. Let's see. Oh, it is the Little Mermaid. Look at that little figurine. Isn't that cute? So I think that she is supposed to sit. I think that goes in there, and then she sits in there just like that. Oh, I love her! So Ariel is not one of my favorite princesses, but she's really cute. That'll look really cute back here on my bookshelf. And I still have no idea who this box is from. Okay, this says, warning, I add mouse ears to almost everything. That may be a clue, but you won't find out for sure until you reach the postcard at the end of the box. Oh my gosh, you're killing me. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, more Joffrey's coffee. So this is actually from, I believe this is from the rooms only. So this is someone who is staying at Walt Disney World. Oh, this is cute. It says gobble till you wobble. That's really cute. I love that. Aww. Okay, so that's that, and I still don't know who it is, so let's keep looking. Okay, so here are 3 Disney Tsum Tsums. Let's see who we got. You can get, let's see, are they all the same? I think that they are. Yeah. Joy, Shock, Timon, Lotso, Locke, Lilo, Goofy, Perry, Sadness, Zero, Tigger, Rapunzel, Ursula, Bullseye, and Baymax. Okay, so I have 3 of them, so let's see who we got. Oh, it's Sadness! Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there it is. All put together. How cute is that? I love that with the core memory balls. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Okay, and then the next one. Oh, I got a dupe! Oh! There's another Sadness. Bummer. Okay, you know what? That's okay, because I might gift that to someone. So I'm going to put that back in the bag. And then here's the last one. No dupes, no dupes, no dupes. No dupes. What did I get? What's that? Oh, it's Baymax. Oh, my son loves Baymax. Oh, that's cute. Oop, I just dropped him. Okay. There it is. Isn't that cute? Love that. Okay, those are fun. Thank you. Next is this, and it says Fantastic Cities. Oh, look at it. It's a coloring book. So it says Fantastic Cities, a coloring book of amazing places, real and imagined. That's cool. That is fun, especially here. I live in Michigan, and to be able to have activities for like snow days and stuff. And this is something that my son can color with me. That's really cool. Thank you. Oh, wow. And then this, I can't get it off. It's stuck to this bubble wrap. I can't undo it. But this looks like it is Snow White. It is. So here, I just took it out of there. So this is really cool. It is a Snow White pin. And it says January. Isn't that cute? I love Snow White. She's my favorite. Okay. And then is this, and it is a little Mickey flag. That's really cute. It says Harvest. That's really cute. We actually have like a little flagpole with these out in front of our house. So that'll work out perfectly. Thank you. Okay, so now I gotta find the postcard in the box. Okay, so I did get a postcard, and it's Chimney Rock. And I have no idea where Chimney Rock is. And so she said, hello, my Disney friend Cheri. I hope the contents of this box bring you feelings of comfort and warmth and relaxation with just a touch of Disney. Bring on the fall season. Greetings from North Carolina. Oh my gosh, she's so slick. So this is the postcard, and she put a Post-it note over, I'm assuming she signed it. So let's see. A big Disney hug from Dana, the Mouse Diva. Oh my gosh, Dana, thank you so so much. I am so excited. You did such an amazing job on this box. I'm just in awe, and thank you so much. And you've clearly been watching my videos and been looking at my Instagram because you nailed it. I am just so in awe. Thank you so much. I really love it. So hopefully you enjoyed this fall box swap video. That was a lot of fun for me to open it, and it was a great experience to be able to connect with other Disney YouTubers. The Disney YouTube community is just amazing. I've met some really just great people, and some people that I talk to like almost every day who live in other parts of the country who I would never have met if it weren't for YouTube. And I enjoy this channel, and I enjoy talking to all of you. So wow, I can't even believe it. So I encourage you to go down to the description box below and check out all the other channels that participated in the swap box, and check out the Mouse Diva. I will go ahead and link her channel in the top of the description box below as well, so you can check her out. I'm just so amazed. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!